Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to walk you through what you absolutely need to have in place to make sales with Clickbank quickly, and that is this middle part, the funnel. Okay, I'm going to talk about that, and also you might find this a bit refreshing because you've probably heard funnels and sort of you need a really elaborate funnel and you need to know lots of technical stuff. Well, I'm pleased to tell you that you don't need to have a really fancy funnel. If you're selling Clickbank products as an affiliate, you can start off really simply. What's more important than having all the bells and whistles on your funnel and all automated and so on is actually understanding what the funnel should do. And I'm going to walk you through that part today so you can make sales quickly with Clickbank. If you're interested in this stuff, do check out the link below. It will take you through to this page. It's cbprofitsacademy.com/challenge. I've put the link below as well. What it will give you is a complete 10-day course for free on exactly how to make money with Clickbank. So it goes far more in depth about how to pick the product, how to build the funnel, what the email should say, the best products as well, and how to get it all set up and how to send traffic. So once you can do those things, remember this, that there's only 3 things that you're doing with Clickbank to make money as an affiliate. Number 1, finding a good product to sell. Number 2, communicating the value of that product to people that need help with a problem. And number 3, to be able to do that, you need traffic. So if you know how to do those 3 things, although that's overly simplified, they're the 3 pillars, if you will. You can make money with Clickbank. So if you're interested in learning that and going far more in depth, do check it out. It's cbprofitsacademy.com/challenge. It's totally free as well. You'll find the link below. When you sign up on email, you click this box, enter your name and email, and what you will get is a video every day for the next 10 days. And I've actually outlaid it so you do video 1 and the simple tasks, and then video 2, then video 3, and at the end of the 10 days you're going to have a funnel out there that is giving you the best chance of making money with Clickbank. I've actually set this up exactly like I would have wanted when I got started. I've been using Clickbank since 2005, 2006, and it's set up exactly like that so you can start making money and it won't be as confusing to you, hopefully. So join that for free. Let me know what you think of it and enjoy the training and use it. It's cbprofitsacademy.com/challenge and the link's below. Okay, so I also want to give you something for free here. We're going to talk about the funnel. Now, you can see 3 boxes on your screen. These are the 3 things that I've just mentioned: the product, the funnel, and the traffic. Okay, the product is the product or the niche area. The funnel is the communication. Okay, so that's the best way to think of a funnel. It's just communicating. We're going to talk about that today. And then traffic, we'll talk about that tomorrow. Now, if you're interested in learning how to pick a product and what it needs to have, I've put some notes here. It needs to solve a problem, and the more urgent and pressing the problem, the better product and niche it is. It needs to have a hungry crowd, fanatical or passionate. All 3 would be fantastic, but some niches are passionate. I had a lot of products in the gaming niche on Clickbank, and that's a passionate crowd. They're really passionate. Okay, hungry crowd would be they want to solve a problem, a really pressing problem right now, and it's like causing them a lot of pain. Okay, and fanatical, I've just put that like really very similar to passionate, that like they're really into a certain subject or something, like the law of attraction, stuff like that. I don't mean that people are fanatical that are into it. I mean that it's an example of a passionate crowd. Okay, what they want, so you need to know what they want as well. But for the product, do check out the video I did yesterday. It will guide you through. So if you're looking for more tips on how to select a good product and what it needs to have, do check that out. It will really help you. Let's talk about the funnel. Okay, so the funnel should do these 3 things, and this is a really simple way of doing it. And what I'm going to do is actually show you on a board now how to make your first funnel and the things that you should have in place so you make sales really quickly. Okay, so funnel, best way to think of a funnel is really, although we've got all this, the best way of thinking of a funnel really is communication. Okay, so someone opts in and they receive an email from you. Now, what I want you to think of is it doesn't matter. You know, when you're selling products with Clickbank, people ask me, what should I deliver? A PDF, an email course, a video course, a webinar, you know, it doesn't really matter too much when you're selling products from Clickbank, as long as the information is good. And the way you make the information good is to make sure that you understand the problem. So locate the problem and understand the pain. So you need to understand the position they're in. Okay, if you're selling anything, but you know, to pick on the gaming guides, I had a Call of Duty guide for the Call of Duty game, and the pain point was not being as good as their friends and always getting killed all the time in the game, and that they wanted to be a better player, and furthermore they wanted to be one of the best players, and they wanted to learn the strategies of doing that. So you need to understand fully the pain that they're in. You need to solve it, but here's an important thing about solving the pain. As you're selling a Clickbank product, the product's job is to solve the problem completely. Okay, so if you were selling a how to lose weight guide, you don't have to rewrite an entire guide and give it to them for free, but you need to solve one piece of the puzzle, if you will. Okay, so I'll give you an example. Let's say I was selling a product which is how to build a six-pack, how to get a six-pack, how to get six-pack abs. Okay, solving one part of the problem, could be giving them a free exercise plan that will help them get a six-pack. Okay, or it could be giving them a sample diet plan that they can use that will allow them to lose weight so their six-pack shows up. Or it could be explaining the different types of exercises that work out that part of your body. Or it could be some stretching exercises or some workout routines that work out that, you know, that part of the body. And then you'd have the main product that would go far more into it and give you, you know, maybe a supplement or maybe a full course and a video course from whatever you're promoting, like, you know, a Clickbank product. But all you need to do is solve one part of the problem. Now, most people don't do this. And what happens is that they don't get any sales because they're not communicating. They don't locate the problem and understand the pain. They're just trying to sell a product as the solution. So say if your communication is they opt in and you just say, thanks for opting in, here's your free PDF. Okay, and you've just put it together quickly, some PLR content or something like that. And then you say to them, if you want more like that, check out the full paid guide. You will get sales if you get enough people, but it's not the best way of doing it. It's really not the best way. The best way is to locate the problem and to understand the pain, and then solve one part of the problem for them, and then and you can see here I've put here help one step along the way, and then pitch the product when they've received help. And the beauty is you can do that in the space of 3 or 4 messages. You can do that through emails, automated using Aweber, so you could have like them opting in for a free course, and then email 1, email 2, email 3. So you could explain if it was that six-pack abs, you can split it up into 3 days, and then on day 4 you could write an email that pitches the product. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed the free stuff, I hope you've used it. If you want to get a six-pack, one of the best courses to do that, or video courses, would be this one, and the reason it's so great is because, and then you go into all the stuff that they get in the course. At the moment you can get it at a discounted rate, and if you enter the coupon code, whatever it is, you'll also get this much off, and you'll get these bonuses, and you've helped them. So when you're doing it like that, this is the thing. We know we've got a good product. Check out the video from yesterday if you want to see how to do that. I'll just show you. Okay, so this is the video that I'm talking about, the first video, how to pick a Clickbank product that will sell. I uploaded that yesterday, so you'll be able to see that, and that will guide you through exactly how to pick the product. Then the next part is the funnel that we just spoke about. Okay, so you've got you do all these things in the funnel. You give away whatever it is, whether it's the best way to start is a free email course, because it doesn't require a lot of work as long as the information's good. You can also do it with a PDF, you can also do it with a video course, okay? And help them along the way before you sell. Don't just sell straight away. Then the only missing part of the puzzle that we'll discuss tomorrow is traffic, and the only way you get traffic is paying for it, or social, which is like this, the YouTube and all the free sites, okay? and each have their pros and cons. I'll walk you through both of them tomorrow, the pros and cons of each and what I would suggest. And all you need to do is know how to pick a good product. Check out that video from yesterday. Design your funnels like I've just mentioned. I'll also do more of an in-depth video showing you that and how it works. If you're interested in getting this all laid out for you so you can get going really quickly with this stuff and go through it far more in depth and get help and support for free, do check it out. Okay, it's cbprofitsacademy.com/challenge. I've put the link below. It's free training, it's 10 days worth, so it will give you everything that you need. So go and check that out, and check out the link below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. That's how you design a good funnel and exactly what to say. Let me know if any questions as well, and I'll see you in the next one where we talk about traffic tomorrow. I'll show you free traffic and also paid traffic and the pros and cons and what you need to know to start using it effectively. So get your free course, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.